Hello Year 4, it's Miss Bellis here. How are you today? I hope you're well. Today we are carrying on our new topic on geometry. So last time we learnt about different angles. We learnt about acute angles, obtuse angles and right angles. And today we are looking at comparing angles. The in focus asks us to compare the sizes of the four angles in figure ABCD. Which is the largest angle? Which is the smallest? How do you know? And how could we check? Can we put the angles in size order? Hannah has looked at angle A and has noticed that it's smaller than a right angle. Let's see if she's right. And here we can see it is smaller. It's an acute angle. And Ravi has noticed that angle B is more than a right angle. Let's see if he's right. And he is. It's much bigger. So it's an obtuse angle. So already we can see that angle A is smaller than angle B. Holly and Charles have looked at angles C and D. Holly has identified that C is a right angle, as we can see from the picture. And Charles has noticed that angle D is more than a right angle. So it's another obtuse angle, so it's bigger than angle C. Amira has put the angles in order from smallest to largest. She says angle A is less than angle C, is less than angle D, and is less than angle B. Do you agree? We know that angle A is acute, which is less than a right angle, and all the others are a right angle or bigger, so it is the smallest. Next has to be angle C. It's a right angle, and we know that B and D are obtuse or bigger than a right angle. And then we have B and D, and we can use our right angle checker to see. I think we can see there that B is bigger than D. So Amira is right. So here's today's guided practice. And in question 1, we need to identify which angle is largest. So in this first one, is E or F the largest angle? In 2, we need to arrange the angles in this shape from smallest to largest. It's very like what Amira did. So here is our worksheet. For question 1, you just need to circle the largest angle in each of these shapes. In question 2, you have to find out which is the smaller angle and complete these sentences. In question 3, you need to find the smallest angle and fill in these boxes. And in question 4, you need to arrange the angles in order from largest down to the smallest. So here are the answers to question 1. The answers to questions 2 and 3. And finally, here are the answers to question 4. So here is today's extra challenge. As always, it's up to you if you want the challenge or not. In the first one, you have to answer true or false. It says that angle B is the largest angle in each of these shapes. Is that true? And how do you know? And then, can you compare the angles made by the clock hands and spot which is the odd one out and why? So here are the answers to the extra challenge. And that's all for today. I hope you have a great day and I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.